Welcome to AIT Academy. Today, we are building a pizza shop billing app. You'll learn how to use checkboxes to pick items and variables to calculate the total bill automatically. Ready to open your first digital shop? Let's get to work.
First, on MIT App Inventor, click on Create App button. Next, click Continue and click on New Project button. Give the project name as Billing App and click OK. In the Design view on the left sidebar, click on Layout. Then drag and drop Vertical Arrangement component onto the screen. In the right sidebar, change the height and width to fill parent. Then in the left sidebar under Layout, drag and drop the Horizontal Arrangement component onto the screen. In the right sidebar, set the width to fill parent. Then in the left sidebar, drag and drop the Label component onto the screen. In the right sidebar, set the font to 30. Text to Pizza Shop. Width to fill parent. Now select Horizontal Arrangement in right sidebar and set the Align Horizontal and Align Vertical values to center. Then change the background color to pink. Then in left sidebar, drag and drop the checkbox component onto the screen and change the font size to 20 and text to Pizza. Then again in left sidebar, drag and drop the checkbox component onto the screen and change the font size to 20 and text to Ice Cream. Once again in left sidebar, drag and drop the one more checkbox component onto the screen and change the font size to 20 and text to Burger. You need to give amount of each food, so change the text of all three checkbox as Burger 300, Pizza 600 and Ice Cream 100. Then drag and drop the Label component from the left sidebar onto the screen and in the right sidebar, set the font to 22 and text to Total Amount. Then drag and drop the button component from the left sidebar onto the screen and in the right sidebar, set the font to 20, text to Calculate, background color to blue and font color to white. Then drag and drop one more button component from the left sidebar onto the screen, and in the right sidebar set the font to 20, text to reset, background color to red and font color to white. Now click on Block section and start coding. First initialize the global variable and name it as total_amount and set it to 0. Then click on checkbox 1 from the left sidebar and drag and drop when checkbox 1 change block onto the screen. Then click on Control and drag and drop if then Control block onto the above block. Then click on checkbox 1 from the left sidebar and drag and drop checkbox 1 checked block onto the if block. Then set global variable to sum of two numbers block from math logic and add it to if block. In the if settings, add the else block. Then duplicate the set global variable block and place in the else block. Then change the math logic to difference of two numbers. Then duplicate the complete when block and change the checkbox 1 to checkbox 2 and 600 to 100. Then again duplicate the complete when block and change the checkbox to checkbox 3 and 100 to 300. Then click on button 2 and drag and drop when button to click block and set the global variable to 0. Then click on button 1 and drag and drop when button 1 click block and the click on label and drag and drop set label to text block and set it to get global variable. Now test your billing app by clicking on Connect menu and click on AI Companion and scan the QR code from your Android phone MIT app and the output live.
Incredible job! You just built a working calculator that handles logic and math. See you in the next project. Bye-bye.